Hey tech enthusiasts, get ready to dive deep into the exciting world of leaked details surrounding the highly anticipated OBSBOT Tiny 2. This isn't just another camera. We're talking about a potential game-changer in the AI-powered filmmaking space. Imagine a pocket-sized powerhouse that can intelligently track your movements, anticipate your shots, and even direct you to achieve cinematic results. In this video, we'll dissect the leaked specs, analyze the potential features, and discuss how the OBSBOT Tiny 2 could revolutionize the way we capture and share our stories. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed, because the future of filmmaking might be smaller than you think. Design and build quality. OBSBOT Tiny 2. The OBSBOT Tiny 2 retains the compact and minimalistic design of the original Tiny 1, but introduces subtle refinements in build quality. With a sturdier base and smoother gimbal movement, it feels more robust and professional. The material upgrade also adds a more premium look and touch, making it a step up from its predecessor while maintaining portability. Camera performance and resolution. The Tiny 2 features a significantly improved 4K sensor, providing sharper video and enhanced low-light capabilities compared to the 1080p output of the Tiny 1. This upgrade makes it an excellent choice for high-quality content creation. The colors are more accurate, and the improved dynamic range ensures professional-grade video for streamers and presenters. Tracking and AI features. OBSBOT Tiny 2 takes AI tracking to the next level with faster and more precise subject following. Compared to the Tiny 1, it's more adept at distinguishing subjects in dynamic environments, ensuring smooth transitions and focus shifts. The updated gesture control system is also more responsive, adding versatility to hands-free operation. Audio and microphone improvements. While the Tiny 1 offered decent microphone capabilities, the Tiny 2 features a new dual microphone system with noise reduction. This ensures clearer audio for video calls and streaming, even in noisy environments. Compared to its predecessor, the audio capture feels more natural and better suited for professional use without requiring external equipment. Connectivity and compatibility. The Tiny 2 enhances connectivity with faster USB-C support and a more reliable plug-and-play experience. It's now compatible with a broader range of devices and platforms, making integration smoother. Compared to the Tiny 1, the improved firmware provides better stability during extended use, reducing potential disruptions. Value for money. While the OBSBOT Tiny 2 comes at a higher price point than the Tiny 1, the advanced features and performance upgrades justify the investment. It offers exceptional value for those seeking a high-quality, AI-driven camera for streaming, conferencing, or creative projects, making it a worthwhile upgrade for existing users or a compelling choice for newcomers. Versatility in mounting options. The OBSBOT Tiny 2 expands its mounting flexibility with stronger magnetic bases and additional mounting accessories. Compared to the Tiny 1, which was limited in positioning, the Tiny 2 can be securely attached to a wider variety of surfaces, including monitors, tripods, and desktops, making it more adaptable for diverse setups. Low light performance and adaptability. With an upgraded sensor and improved aperture, the OBSBOT Tiny 2 delivers significantly better low light performance than the Tiny 1. This makes it ideal for dimly lit environments like late-night streaming or low-light conference rooms. The enhanced adaptability ensures clear and professional quality visuals regardless of lighting conditions. Conclusion. The OBSBOT Tiny 2 is a substantial upgrade over the Tiny 1, delivering impressive advancements in camera quality, AI tracking, and usability. Its improved design, better low-light performance, and enhanced software integration make it a versatile tool for streamers, content creators, and professionals. While it comes at a higher price, the added features and functionality justify the investment. Whether upgrading from the Tiny 1 or looking for a high-quality AI-powered webcam, the Tiny 2 is a reliable and innovative choice. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the leaked details of the OBSBOT Tiny 2. We're incredibly excited about the potential of this innovative AI camera and can't wait to see how it shapes the future of filmmaking. What are your thoughts on the leaked specs? Do you think the OBSBOT Tiny 2 will live up to the hype? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech news, reviews, and exciting discoveries. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.